nothing up high?
Nothing down low. That sounds like Zebby. Come on!
That really tickles.
My tickling feather! My tickling feather! 1, 2, 3. Zebby found it here for me.
Oh, it's your tickling feather, is it, Raa Raa?
Yes, I lost it and you found it. Thanks, Ooo Ooo. Thank you, Zebby. My tickling feather. It's one of my favourite things.
Oh, yes. It's very tickly.
I need to find my other favourite things now.
Can we help?
Of course. My favourite things. 1, 2, 3. I need to get them back, you see.
His favourite things. 1, 2, 3. He needs to get them back, you see. What favourite things are we looking for, Raa Raa?
My favourite alarm clock and my hooty stone. My hooty stone! My hooty stone. 1, 2, 3. I can hear it tooting. Follow me!
Hello, Crocky. Look what I found.
My hooty stone! My hooty stone. 1, 2, 3. You found it for me. Thanks, Crocky.
Oh, it's your stone, Raa Raa.
Yes. This is my favourite hooty stone, Topsy. Listen.
Ooh, very hooty. What was your last favourite thing, Raa Raa?
The best of all, my alarm clock. My favourite things. 1, 2, 3. Let's find the last one. Follow me.
His favourite things. 1, 2, 3. He needs to get them back, you see.
It's not here. Or here. It's not here either.
Why so sad, Raa Raa?
I've lost my most favourite thing of all. My alarm clock.
Oh dear, I'm sorry.
Quick! Come quick! There's a funny noise behind the bushes.
Come on!
Listen. Is it a grasshopper or a clickety cricket?
I know what it is!
It's louder. That tickety-tock noise.
I found my alarm clock! It's my alarm clock, 1, 2, 3. That's what was ticking. Thanks, Huffty.
Wow, that's even better than your tickling feather. And your hooty stone.
Yes, it really is my most favourite thing.
What are you going to do now, Raa Raa?
I'm going to put my favourite things back where they belong. In my house, where they'll be safe.
Good idea.
My favourite things. 1, 2, 3. I'm glad I've got them back. Woo-wee.